Got a quick, easy video for you. It is how to identify if your blower motor is bad for your heat and air conditioning. This will let you know that it is indeed the blower motor and not a switch or resistor. The trick to this is a little bit caveman-like, but it works pretty much every time. So let me show you how to do it. I got working on my little Chevy Spark here. Stay key on. Right, no blower. Nothing happening. So if you look right down here, now your blower motor might be in a different spot, but you can see it's this roundy thing with a little yellow dot on it. All I'm gonna do is take my trusty rubber mallet. Don't use a real hammer. Use a trusty rubber mallet. And we'll give that a couple whacks. And if it turns on, get right in the middle, give a couple smacks. And if that turns on, then that indicates that indeed your blower motor is bad. Now it'll work and you can temporarily keep whacking it to turn it on every time it breaks, but that's really irritating, so replace it. So let's give it a try. Hold on, let me put you down here. Now. That doesn't mean it works. That means you need to replace the blower motor. Yeah. There you go. Easy trick. Save you some money. I guess I'll make a video on how to replace a blower motor in a Chevy Spark. Looks kind of tricky.